Hey guys, welcome back to the QST YouTube channel. Today I will be solving I'll be solving sections 5.1 and section 7.4 for the IGCSE periodic. Let's go. The actual length of a basketball court is 28 meters, which is here 7 centimeters. First of all, we need to find the scale. So 7 over 28 centimeters, meters. But we're gonna have to make the units the same. So we're gonna have to multiply 28 by 100. So it's gonna be 2800 centimeters. This will be 1, and this will be 400. So let me do the ratio. 1 centimeter is equal to 400 centimeters, which is what we have here, 1 centimeter to 400, which is part A. And then part B, we can simply do 1 over 400, let me see if is equal to 4 over x. We will get that after we cross multiply, we get that 1600 is equal to x. But here they said they wanted it in meters, and this is in centimeters. So from centimeters to meters we divide by 100. So it's just gonna be 16. Number 2. A man walks from the park to his house along the path indicated by the solid line below. Okay, so first of all, to solve this question, we're gonna have to add all of the distances together, and then we're gonna multiply it by 150 because they want the actual distance. So 2.1 plus 1.2 plus 1.7 plus 1.6 plus 1.4. So we're gonna do that on the calculator. 2.1 plus 1.2 plus 1.7 plus 1.6 plus 1.4. And then we do that times 150, because let me do the ratio. Eight over x is equal to 1 over 150. We get that x is equal to 1200. Now I'm gonna be solving the quiz for 7.4. So for this question, a group of students reported the number of pens in their desk. The results are shown in the table below. Okay, so here the mode is the number of pens in this case with the most frequency, which is 8. Given frequency, like here x does not count. The possible values of the median are 8 and 12, because for the median, to know the median, we're gonna have to know x, which we don't. And now, if the mean is approximately 10.87, to the nearest whole number x is equal to, so here the mean is 10.87. Since we know that the mean is equal to the number of pens in this case times the frequency, the summation of all of the summation and that divided by the total frequency. So it's gonna be 8 times 12 plus 12 times 14 plus 15x over 34 plus x. Now if we do that on the calculator, 10.87 is equal to 8 times 12 plus 12 times 14 plus 15x over 34 plus x. That will give us 10.06, and that is literally 10. Number 2. Interpret the scatter plot below shows the average grade on a math test during a given week versus the number of hours spent watching TV during this week. The line of the best fit is also drawn. Okay. Just let me remove this. Okay. So the correlation in the scatter diagram is strong. By the meaning of strong, meaning that it is close to a straight line, like all of the dots form a straight line, not a line like this or this. Okay. And then negative is because the line of the best fit, as we can see here, is sloping downwards. They want the equation of the line of the best fit in part B. Okay, so first of all, to find the line of the best fit, we need the slope. To find the slope, we need 2 points. We're gonna take 1290 and 2060. After simplifying, the slope is negative 15 over 4. Y equals negative 15 over 4x plus b. Now, to find b, we need to substitute x and y by a point on the graph. Let's take 2060. So here, let me remove y. 60 is equal to negative 15 over 4x times 20 plus b. Okay, so now after simplifying, we get that negative 15 over 4 plus 20 is equal to negative 75 plus b, and then we take negative 75 to the other side, and we get that 135 is equal to b. Okay, but we're not done. We have the equation of the slope. Y is equal to negative 15 over 4x plus 135. Okay, but here they want the x and y to be on the same side, so let me just rewrite the equation after the moving. 15 over 4x plus y is equal to 135. Okay, but here they said that they want y to be 4y, and from y to 4y all we have to do is multiply the whole equation by 4. So it's gonna become 15x plus 4y is equal to 540. Part C. Based on the line of the best fit, the expected score for a person who spends 12 hours watching TV during the week of the test. Okay, so for this part, we go to the x-axis 12, and we go up to where it intercepts in the line of the best fit, and we find out that it intercepts at 90y. So the answer here is 90. The model letter is where most of the dots are like allocated or put. And here from below 60 there is barely any, and 60 to 70 there is a bit, from 70 to 80 there is a bit more, and from 80 to 90 there is a lot, and from 90 to 100 there is a little bit. So the model letter is B because the most people are between 80 and 90. Number 3. The table below shows the weekly time spent by 50 students on a computer. Fill in the blanks with the whole number. Okay. The model class. To find the model class itself is the class with the highest frequency, which in this case is between 30 and 40. The median time is in the interval. To find the median time in which interval it is in, we're gonna have to do the total frequency divided by 2, which is 50 over 2 is equal to 25. But to find the median class, we're gonna have to find the cumulative frequency. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them in order. So like the first one will be 0 to 10, then 10 to 20, then 30 to 20. To find the cumulative frequency, like for the first one it's gonna stay 5, and then from 10 to 20 we're just gonna add 10 plus 5. So it's gonna be 5, 15, 30, 47, 50, and from 27 from oh my god. So okay, as we said before, like if the total number of frequency is even, it's gonna be two numbers, the one we found by calculating and the one after, so 25 and 26. And 25 to 26 is between 15 and 30, which means we go for 30, which is between 20 and 30. Using the mid-interval to represent the time taken in each interval to the nearest whole number, an estimate for the mean is how many hours? Okay, so to find the mean, we're gonna do the summation of the mid value times the frequency over the total frequency. Okay, but here to find the mid value, we're gonna do, like in this example, let me use is between 0 and 10. We're gonna do 10 plus 0 over 2, which will be 5. Okay, so now we're gonna find the median by doing 5 times 5 plus 15 times 20, 15 times 10 plus 25 times 15 plus 35 plus times 17 plus 45 times 3, all of that divided by 50. So on the calculator, 5 times 5 plus 15 times 10 plus 25 times 15 plus 35 times 10 plus 45 times 3 over 50, that will give us, wait, what? I made a calculation mistake over here, wait. we will get 25.6, which is 26 to the nearest whole number. The last question for this video. This question is really simple. They want us to find the exam score for a student who studies for 7 hours. So 7 on the x-axis is between 6 and 8. And to find the exam score, we're gonna go up to where it intercepts the line of best fit, which will be between 80 and 96, which is 88 exactly. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I wish you guys the best of luck in your exam, and goodbye.